Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for taking a little bit of time out of it to come and watch me learn how to pour paint. I am super thankful that you're here. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Let's have some fun pouring some paint. Alrighty then, so I'm back again with this last piece of wood out of all that wood that came from the shelves. If you want to know about that, go see the last video. I talk about that in there. I probably shouldn't repeat myself because if you do watch my videos, then you've already heard it. And if you haven't seen it yet, then I want to entice you to go there and watch it. I will, if I remember, I will throw a link up in the corner so you know which video to go back to. It's actually just the one I did just before this. I have no idea what number this is going to be because I've been pouring and shooting videos. I've done 2 pieces now. This is piece number 3 today, and I may even do one more. I am on vacation for Christmas, so I'm going to take full advantage. So anyway, I've put my white paint down and I'm going to make a couple of flower designs, and then I'm going to dip a piece of plastic on it. And these are like, I've started keeping all my bags now and all my wrapping because I just then cut it up and put paint on it. I haven't kept any of those yet. I wonder if they're keepable. Maybe I should try. I'm looking at the one I just threw in the garbage, and it actually looks kind of cool. I should have kept it before I threw other stuff in on top of it, but maybe this one. I'll try to remember that. Spread it out to dry, and maybe I can get skins from it to cover something or something. I'm looking for different things to do with skins. I have made some beautiful, beautiful pendants. I gave a bunch away for Christmas, which was cool. Everybody seemed to love them. Anyway, let's get going. The colors that I'm using are tropical blue, peacock blue for the flowers, and then I'm going to use African violet, and I'm going to use this purple that I made pouring Copenhagen blue and Christmas red together. And then for the leaves, I'm going to use the hunter green, and of course the turquoise that I've mixed up myself that has the silicone in it. Anyway, let's get started. so I have made my patterns with my paint. A couple of flowers using the colors mentioned. And now I'm going to put my piece of plastic down. Shoot! I didn't put my leaves on. Oh no. Oh. Well, let's see how it looks without leaves, because I don't think I can pull it up now. Gosh darn it. I might have to try a little balloon technique, I guess, to do some leaves. That might be interesting. I haven't tried it yet, but I do have some balloons. I can't believe I left the green out. Gosh darn it. Look at all my, I'll have lots of white space for sure, but maybe more than I wanted. I think, like I mentioned in the last one of these I did a couple videos back, that when you probably can't see it from the camera, but there's air bubbles, and you can see when you're tapping it, you can actually see the air bubbles down here. And that's what you want to do, is you just want to tap lightly and make sure that all of the plastic has touched. You don't want any air bubbles over where you have paint. Oh, I can't believe I left that green off. Gosh darn it. Oh well, like I said, I think I can go in and do a balloon smash. We shall see. Okay, how am I going to do this? I don't want them to squish together in the middle. Okay, I think I'm going to go, I guess I'm just going to go corner to corner, and like I usually do. Pull this one up. Oh my goodness. Pull that up. And we'll put this over here. Well, we definitely need to get some green in there. So before I do anything with it, I'm going to put some leaves in. And I haven't actually blown up a balloon. I think I'm just going to use a bit of plastic. And tap it down or something. I don't know. So let's take this. Oh, that's the wet side. Gosh, yes. That was really dumb. Are you actually recording right now? Oh, you are too. Okay, let's, okay, what do I have? What do I have? Oh, I have this little piece of plastic. Okay, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to, oh, that's not going to, okay. So I'm going to do this. Oh, that's not working. That is not working at all. Gosh darn it. you down for a close-up. Some of it I love. Some of it I'm not so sure. I think I might have used too much yellow. I didn't remember to put the green in that I like on the edges. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see how it dries. You guys let me know what you think. And of course we'll get some pictures when it's dry. And that'll be it.